Here we have an ENCO 14x40 engine lathe, 16 speed, 3 horsepower, 230 volt, 3 phase. And we're going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. It operates very nicely. Most of the functions operate, the electrical and mechanical. And what we're going to do is we pulled out the e-stop. We already checked the coolant pump. Coolant pump runs. All right. So what we do is we go to number 1 speed, so it has 2 speeds. You can control them here. We'll go to number 1 speed. Alright, so that's your manual feed right here. And we checked out all the speeds. All the speeds operate fine. The pointer doesn't exactly go to, you know, on the dial here, but it gets pretty close. And we checked all the functions here, your threading functions, cross feed, everything operates very nice. So what we're going to do is we'll go into like a forward position here with the lever. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go a little bit higher speed on this. Has a foot brake, that shuts the machine off. We'll go here, back to here, a little bit slower speed. Okay, hit the foot brake. Back to the higher speed. So that's your automatic feed for your cross feed. All right, flip that back. We'll go over to the longitudinal feed. Forward, hit the foot brake again, go in the opposite direction. Hit the foot brake again, just turn the machine off. Hit the e-stop. I just wanted to show you the tail stock here. Well, it's missing the center component here and the back handle. It does have this piece here and the roller bearing. That's about it. Okay, so that's missing some parts. Also, there's no steady rest. And we do include a follow rest right here. As you can see, and it has the holes in it and everything, but the bolts, one of them broke off inside the apron right here. The other one kind of stripped out. You can still fit another metric bolt in there, and they need to be a little bit longer. Other than that, it's in really good shape as far as we can tell. It's got some paint dings and scratches along the edge here, around here, over here, on the back a little bit, on the backsplash. There's a little dent on the backsplash right here. There's a little scuff right here. That's paint scuff there, paint scuff here. Nothing major, like I said. Includes a 4-jaw chuck. And that's a 8-inch 4-jaw chuck and a 12-inch backing plate. See under the machine here. There's some oil residue from some of the oil kind of leaking down off of some of the components here. Drip pan. You got your coolant hose. And we thank you for looking at our product.